Just a quick snapshot of what my Model X looks like with the updated 2020 12.5. This is the release notes, basically the dashcam viewer, some out of order supercharged stalls. I guess what it does is identifies the number of out of order stalls. To view the current availability, tap the supercharger station map pin. But I think the most exciting thing is the dashcam viewer. As you can see, the icon has changed. I thought I'll put it up because I haven't seen too many Model X and Model S versions of this dashcam. So I'm still on park. And let's see if I click on this launch viewer, and there we go. That's my viewer. So this is my previous last view. There's a bit of a glitch. It does stop intermittently, but I think that's not as relevant. I guess I can switch the camera view by clicking on any of the cameras. There are 3 dots right here, and I can see an old one, which was my parking lot, and that was me sitting in there. Okay, and me moving out. And then let's see, there was another one. Why was this clicked? I'm not quite sure, but it was clicked. Maybe I had accidentally clicked on the record button. And there are many historical ones. Let's see one of the parked versions. So when I parked, let's see, this is where I park normally when I am at work. Not sure why. Because of this car movement right in front of my car. And I suppose I can pick any one of them. Parked against a wall. I assume there is some movement somewhere. Oh, there's somebody sitting in this car. I guess that's the reason why. And then he was moving out. It's forwarded. I can easily forward it from down here. And I can also delete, which is the best thing right here. So I can go back all the way. There are Sentry. I can actually choose that, or the dash cam, which I probably would have pressed the button to record, which is quite helpful. Sorting. So that's really nice. Alright, I hope you guys like the video. Thank you. Take care.